What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the NightHawk for free and also other vehicles for free as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy the video, I guess. So there is a giveaway going on as well. So to enter that giveaway, it's a 75 Robux giveaway, by the way. To enter that giveaway, go to the first link in the description and join my Roblox group. And then like and subscribe, comment down your Roblox username, and that's basically everything you have to do. So yeah. Okay, so I explained everything in the intro. So what you want to do is spawn a vapid or any vehicle you want. Make sure the suspension is really high and your lock is on friends. Okay, put your car understandably close to the NightHawk, like probably this close, I would say. So what you want to do is stay on top of the car, and you see this enter driver. That's part of the glitch. Okay, so how this glitch works is basically when you just go away from it from 2 seconds, the enter driver will still be detected. So if you go to NightHawk and press E, it'll enter the driver. So let's try this out. But this glitch may take a lot of learning to do. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that didn't work out so well. Guys, I'm not wasting your time here. The glitch actually works. Oh, it worked. Let's go. Alright. So you guys might, if you all did the glitch, you guys might see that you can't launch. And that is the reason, because Mad City actually fixed this glitch a bit. So what you want to do is just hold D or turn to the right, and you see that the NightHawk does this weird animation. Like when you turn around, it just goes off the ground for a bit. Press E at that time, and yeah, you're good to go, I guess. So that's how you do the glitch. If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.